Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to make this mechanical object, and this is the 3D view. And first of all we will create this 2D design, and we will extrude it, and we'll modify it further. So click on new and open a new file in inches, and select front view, and in front view we will sketch this 2D design, and we'll extrude. So first of all, select line and give it dimension 6 inches and 1 inches. I need it in center. After that, just give it random dimensions, and after that we will modify it after this process. So this is 1. The total dimension is 10 millimeter, 10 inches, and this distance is 5. Okay, 6, 6, 1, 5, and 10, and we need around here. So click fillet first, second, and click on 1, and here we completed the front view, or you can say side view. So it's time to extrude it. So now extrude, and click and select 5 inches. We need it 5 inches. So here we make a basic body of our object. So now, as you can see, this is the circle that we needed on the tapered surface, this surface. So click sketch, and click on this tapered surface as we clicked sketch, and select the sketch view. So now we are in front view, and take references and just simply make a circle. I'm going to off the shades so I can easily modify the drawing. So the distance is 2.5 because it's in the center, and the total distance is 5, and half is 2.5 obviously. So the diameter is 2.8, and from top to center is 3.2. Okay, so now I'm going to on the shades, and the next step is extrude this circle. As you can see, this is the side front view, and we will extrude it 1 inch. So click on extrude, change the direction, and give it a 1, and click on OK. And we will also give it a around here of 0.25. Click OK. So now for further we have to draw 2 circles, and we will make 2 holes. For this we have to sketch on this surface, sketch view, and just make 2 random circles. Again, I'm turning off the shades, and the distance is 1. This is also 1. and the diameter is again 1 inch. Okay, so click on OK and turn on the shades and click on extrude. So we need holes. As you can see, these are the blind holes, and click OK. Lastly, I need a fillet command, and we'll select round, and we will select this one, and on this edge one. So here we completed the 3D object that we needed, as you can see. So hope you understood. We'll see you in the next video.